Hey guys, what's up? Just coming back with another trade review. I'm trying to get into the habit of doing these a couple times a week. Today I traded Disney. I had a few others on my watch list, AA, CLF, BTI, and they all are what I've been trading for the past month plus. They are traded off a larger time frame with the drilling down to the smaller time frame, just trying to find an entry. What I liked in particular on Diz was that we were at the bottom of a daily range, and I was looking for a play off this daily. Whether or not it held this daily bottom or it lost it, I tried to zoom in onto the price action in and around that level, looking at the order book level 2 in relation to what the market's doing. But what I did, and you can ignore these couple trades here, at the open and even pre-market, these were sim trades. I am diving into options, which will allow me to just kind of hedge what I'm looking at on a daily or what I'm looking over long term, potentially swinging these. But I was just trying to get used to it in relation to what I use on my stream deck for script for equities, and I'm just trying to figure it out. So I was looking to buy $83 or $84 calls, and I was a little bit confused this morning. So also what happened this morning was I upgraded my PC. I had some RAM upgrades, and it froze on me this morning. And so typically in the past, what would happen is I would freeze, panic, fear of missing out, and anxiety would just spike. So I would just take anything. And so I just let it be. I was able to fix what the issue was, and I was even concerned whether or not some of these options trades that I took in the morning would trigger. But what I did was I looked for the top of this daily range in relation to where it was on the 60-minute range, and if you look at the daily, it was due for a pullback. So we had this sell-off, and then I saw a hammer with some average volume. But what I was looking to do was play back to the 9. I only caught a small piece of the move this morning just because I kept having intermittent issues with my PC. And so that is it. I've learned from past experience. I can keep my anxiety down, my nerves down, ROMO, FOMO, everything is in check. However, I have a very bad, I wouldn't say history, but my data tells me when I try to jump in and get more, whether it's greed, whatever it is, it's just I have a very bad win rate with that. So I took a couple trades. I tried to add back into this position rather quickly, as you can see the increasing volume here, and there was a push up. You can see the level 2 was asks were building, big orders coming in on a tape. My account just couldn't handle the add up, so I just played it. A couple partials, let it come back down, and then I saw something on the order book of the level 2, and in and out. These were quick trades, so I am green. There was also another play that this formed, was what I like lately as well, is a reversal utilizing the 50-minute chart. You can see it's extended 350-minute bars, and then it forms somewhat of a indecision shooting star with volume, and I like to play these for the loss of the 15, so I'll let this 15-minute form and then let it come back to this level here, and then if it doesn't hold, or again, just depending on what the order book is, the market, I will short it or long it from this position. You can see it came all the way back down to the 9, and this would have been a decent move as well from here. And so that was it for me today, and starting the week green. It looks like, I know we have a few days left in August, but I mean, unless there's some catastrophe, I will end the month green. And this month's been very good. A lot of new things coming into play, constantly adding to my constantly adding to my playbook, and just more self-aware of what's happening and what my body's doing, what my brain's telling me to do, and fighting against it. And so, yeah, like I said, that's it for today. Anybody has any questions, please leave a comment, email, DM, and if you could kindly, if you haven't already and you're seeing this video, you haven't subscribed, I'd really appreciate if you could subscribe. I'm trying to build the channel. Hope everybody had a great trading day, and I'll see you soon. Peace.